WUXI HUALIAN Science and Technology Group Company Limited has been focusing on metal cutting equipment development, production, and sales service for more than 20 years. In 1987, the company successfully developed China's first optical tracking cutting machine, formally entered the cutting equipment manufacturing industry. Now the company annually produces and sells various types of CNC plasma flame cutting machine, more than 500 pieces, exports more than 100 pieces. The product covering gantry type ordinary CNC cutting machine, high precision CNC gantry cutting machine, table CNC cutting machine, CNC pipe intersection cutting machine, H-beam CNC profile cutting machine, and other series machinery. WUXI HUALIAN Science and Technology Group has the highest sales turnover of coordinates cutting machine in China. Also one of the inspection standards drafters of coordinates cutting machine in China. In 2008, the company was named as one of the 3 backbone enterprises in cutting machine industry area. GS Series CNC Plasma Flame Cutting Machine is a digital program control automatic equipment for sheet metal cutting. Process control. This machine is controlled by industrial computer, using gas flame or plasma arc as cutting source. It can cut any graphics in low-carbon steel, aluminum, copper, and other metal plates, and cutting thickness from 0.8 millimeters to 300 millimeters. The products are widely used in shipbuilding, steel structures, engineering machinery, automobile, pressure vessel, and other industries. This series of cutting machines have the following characteristics. 1. The cutting machine adopts HLJD SK2005 Industrial Computer CNC System of international standards developed independently by the company of their own. 15 LED graphic interface, menu icons makes it easy for operating. Unique steel angle correction function and memory breakpoint function ensure continuous processing operations. Also, it makes use of open modular hardware and software structure to facilitate the upgrading of the entire system, troubleshooting and maintenance for all parts. 47 kinds of standard graphics libraries and grid graphics files, support for EIA code, G-code, and the ESSI code, identifiable, fast CAM, CASA conversion code. Graphics and document coding system was shown to facilitate online learning. Meanwhile, we can equip the machine with imported America Hypotherm Micro EDGE or EDGE Pro Control System, CMC Company Bernie 10 System, or Spain Fago 8035 Control System, according to different requirements of users. 2. Beans and frame of the machine are all using welded box type structure. Go through hole annealing after welding, which eliminates the welding stress, makes it good rigidity and high precision, less inertia, stable performance, and so on. 3. Wide range of processing. Workpiece width from 2 meters to 20 meters in length up to 100 meters or more. 4. Using imported all-digital AC servo drive system, high-precision linear guide-oriented positioning, mechanical transmission with 7 precision rack and pinion drive, gearbox using imported low-gap planetary gearbox. Transmission of the machine added automatic backlash compensation device so that it can achieve zero backlash drive, which ensures good use of equipment performance and cutting precision. 5. Besides the commonly used plasma cutting torch and flame torch, the machine can also equip unlimited rotation plasma cutting torch for any graph cutting groove, straight tri-cutting torch for beveling of V, Y, also K-type. Others like powder spray marking devices, automatic ignition, all can be configured so as to improve the working efficiency. 6. Regarding the plasma power supply, customer can choose the ones developed by our own company or imported ones like Hypotherm Series, Kelberg Series, Thermal Dynamic Series, ESAB Series, etc. For fume extraction, you can choose semi-wet cutting, underwater cutting, dry dust ventilation, and other means. 7. This series cutting machine includes the advantages of full function, good rigidity, high precision and aesthetic appearance. The maximum travel speed up to 24 meters per minute. CNC Table Plasma Cutting Machine is a high-speed and high-precision plasma cutting equipment. It uses plasma arc as cutting source. Also can cut any graphics in low-carbon steel, aluminum, copper, and other metal plates, especially for sheet of medium or thin thickness. This machine has advantages like compact and flexible structure, small area covering, easy installation and operation, simple maintenance, beautiful appearance, smooth transmission, reliable and high-precision cutting, etc. GS G-Series CNC Pipe Cutting Machine is CNC-controlled automatic intersection cutting equipment. There are 3-axis, 4-axis, 5-axis 3 models available. This machine uses paramedic data input, digital control system that can do programming of tube process automatically. It can do branch pipe cutting, mother pipe intersecting cutting, rectangular and multi-hole pipe intersecting line cluster cutting. Processing diameter ranges from 60 millimeters to 1500 millimeters. Now it's not only widely used in sports stadiums, airports, railway stations, and other large public buildings where tube processing, but also used in shipbuilding, bridges, power tower, petrochemical, and other industries. ZKW Series CNC 3-dimension drilling machine is fully automatic control of 7-axis. It can make drilling on 3 faces of large H-beam simultaneously. The machine has characteristics of high automation, strong rigidity, high precision, stable performance, high reliability, and high efficiency. It is the most ideal choice for H-beam drilling. ZK Series CNC drilling machine is for making hole and flange plate, especially for junction plate in steel fabrication. This equipment combines control system, digital AC servo system, optical encoder, magnetic gate devices, and precise mechanical components together. All this make the machine high precision, high reliability, high productivity, also high technology adaptability. Operators only need to input size of the workpiece, and this input size can be recalled again for using. No need to order the preparation of complex processing steps. This greatly improves production efficiency and is really ideal equipment for automatic, efficient metal drilling.